Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Hans coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
banger? But as usual, guys, right before we get into it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So today's videos, we're gonna count down top 10 lies Jamaican woman tell them man. Starting at number 10. Battery are dead. Hey, what? What can I do? Hello? Hello? Battery are dead. Make my car back. Battery are dead. Make my car back. Stay there. Number 9. I'm not hungry. Babe, I gotta get something on the road to eat. You not hungry?
No, I'm okay. I'm not hungry. I'm fine.
Number 8. Just my cousin or my best friend.
Everybody, I want to meet my cousin Tyreek. Yeah, my cousin from my sister, uncle. Yeah, we're best friends.
Number 7, guys. I'm on my period. That one day. Very popular.
I'm on my period.
Number 6. Me broke coming on the money and bills due.
Yeah, I'm so broke. But I don't know the bills are due. My head's over heels. I'm just going to... Yes, I'm broke. You can't see me somebody. Thanks. Okay, I love you so much. Okay, said it later. No, said it now. I really need the help. Girl, we are go later.
Number 5. No other guy.
Baby, I say, no other guy have never made me feel like this before, you know. And you are the first. I love you.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Number 4. Just the right size.
Nothing wrong with you, baby. It's just the right size.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Number 3. That one you wanna slick with it. I'm hanging with the girls.
Stop it now. Stop it now. Shh. Phone a ring. Hello? Yeah, I'm just hanging with the girls.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Yeah, we're so come on. Just there chatting up with girls now. Yeah. Okay. Ever.
Baby, you ready? Number 2. I call that one the fake. You think on easy?
No.
I keep.
Alright, you ready for that one, yeah? And the number 1 lie Jamaican woman tell them man is
No.
me call that one, yeah, all yours.
This is all yours. All is yours.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Alright, peeps. We hope you enjoy that one day. Ladies, we nobody cuss me and kill me. You know me love you already. I know enough people are gonna say, yo, there's much more. Yeah, but they have enough more things I can add, but me have to watch out for YouTube, because I know YouTube stay already. But stay tuned. Make we see what I go on for that one here first, team, and then we just probably can do a part few. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyway, peeps, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like up the thing, share up the thing. Yeah. And just go and join with your boy. Ashoo!
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you are stuffed chicken, you have to murder.